With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that if f is a function from R to R given by x cube plus a plus 2 into x squared plus 3ax plus 5a, if fx is 1 1, then a belongs to. Okay, so basically we have to find the values for a if this given function is a 1 1 function. Okay, so let's start. Let me write down the given function first, that is x cube plus a plus 2 into x squared plus 3ax plus 5a, right? Now it is given that this function is a 1 1 function, right? So from here we can say that its derivative, that is f dash x must be always positive or it must be always negative, right? Because 1 1 function means this function is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing graph, right? So if a function is 1 1, its graph is either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, right? So from here we can say that its derivative, that is f dash x, must always be positive or negative, right? So let's find out f dash x. So f dash x will be equal to 3x square plus 2 into a plus 2 into x plus 3a, right? Now this is either always positive or always negative. Now here we can see that this is basically a quadratic equation, right? And here the coefficient of highest power of x is positive, right? So we know that if a, that is the coefficient of highest power of x, is positive, the graph of this quadratic equation will open upwards, right? Basically there are two things. One thing is either this graph will always be positive or always be negative, right? And second thing, that the a is positive, that is graph will open upward, right? So from these two things we can see that the graph of this function will be somewhat like this, right? It will not touch the x-axis, and because it is always greater than 0, and it will open upwards, right? It will not be like this, because in that case it will be downward. It will not be like this, because in that case it will cut the two x's, and at some values of x it will be negative, right? So the final graph of this function will look somewhat like this. From here we can see that for this kind of graph, the d of this quadratic equation must be less than 0, right? So let's find out d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So b square, that is 4 into a plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 3a, right? 4ac. So that is equal to, I'm taking 4 common from here, so that will be a square plus 4 plus 4a minus 9a, right? And this must be less than 0, right? D must be less than 0. So I can write it like this. This will be a square minus 5a plus 4 less than 0, or we can write this as a minus 1 into a minus 4 should be less than 0, right? So if I plot this on graph, here we have two critical points, 1 and 4, right? So at any value greater than 4, let's say 5, if I put 5 here, it is coming out positive, right? So at any value greater than 4, this is positive. At x equal to 4 or at a equal to 4, this is 0, then it will become negative, and then at a equal to 1, this is again 0, right? So this graph will be somewhat like this. The graph for this function will be somewhat like this. So we can clearly see that it is negative in this span, right? So from here we can say that a belongs to the range of 1 to 4. Okay, so we had to find the values of a, so we got the values of a, so this will be our answer. Among the given options, option C says 1 to 4, so our answer will be option C. Okay, I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.